I'm delighted to share a comprehensive overview of the latest trends and innovations in modern outdoor kitchen and cooking design, covering everything from barbecue and grill setups to cutting-edge cooking technologies and alfresco dining experiences. As the demand for outdoor living spaces has grown in recent years, the modern outdoor kitchen has evolved into a true extension of the home, offering a seamless integration of cooking, dining, and relaxation. At the heart of this outdoor culinary haven, the barbecue and grill have taken center stage, transforming from simple cooking appliances into sophisticated, feature-rich masterpieces. The modern outdoor barbecue and grill designs are a far cry from the traditional charcoal-fueled models of the past. Today's high-end units boast powerful gas or infrared burners, providing precise temperature control and lightning-fast heat-up times. Many feature integrated smokers, rotisserie systems, and even specialized searing stations, allowing home chefs to effortlessly recreate the flavors of a professional-grade steakhouse right in their own backyard. Beyond the standard grill, innovative hybrid models have emerged, which seamlessly blend grilling with other cooking methods, such as griddles, pizza ovens, or even built-in woks. These versatile outdoor cooking stations enable homeowners to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks, from searing the perfect steak to baking artisanal pizzas or whipping up authentic stir-fry dishes. The integration of smart technology has also revolutionized the modern outdoor kitchen experience. Wi-Fi-enabled grills and barbecues can now be controlled and monitored remotely through smartphone apps, allowing homeowners to fine-tune cooking temperatures, set timers, and even receive notifications when their meals are ready, all without ever leaving the comfort of their outdoor lounge. Complementing these high-tech cooking appliances, the overall design of the modern outdoor kitchen has become increasingly sophisticated and personalized. Modular, built-in cabinetry systems offer ample storage and prep space, while integrated refrigerators, ice makers, and even dishwashers provide the convenience of a fully equipped indoor kitchen, but in an alfresco setting. The material palette for these outdoor kitchens has also evolved, with a greater emphasis on durable, weather-resistant, and low-maintenance finishes. Stainless steel, powder-coated aluminum, and high-performance composite materials are popular choices, seamlessly blending form and function. The integration of natural stone, tile, or even custom-fabricated concrete countertops adds a touch of elegance and visual interest to the overall design. Surrounding the state-of-the-art cooking equipment, the modern outdoor kitchen often features a thoughtfully curated array of complementary elements, such as built-in prep sinks, paper towel holders, spice racks, and even built-in cocktail stations. These carefully considered details help to transform the outdoor kitchen into a fully equipped, self-contained culinary hub, capable of handling even the most ambitious alfresco dining experiences. As the lines between indoor and outdoor living continue to blur, the modern outdoor kitchen has emerged as a true gathering place, where families and friends can come together to share meals, socialize, and create lasting memories. Innovative design solutions, such as retractable shade structures, outdoor fireplaces or fire pits, and cozy seating arrangements, further enhance the overall ambience and extend the usability of these outdoor oases. In conclusion, the modern outdoor kitchen and cooking landscape has undergone a remarkable evolution, incorporating cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and a keen focus on tailored, personalized experiences. Whether you're an avid home chef, a passionate entertainer, or simply someone who appreciates the joy of alfresco dining, the world of modern outdoor kitchens is brimming with inspiration and possibilities waiting to be explored. One of the most exciting developments in this space is the rise of the outdoor kitchen suite, a comprehensive, modular system that seamlessly integrates all the essential cooking, prep, and dining elements into a cohesive, elegant outdoor living environment. These innovative setups often feature a central, professional-grade grill or cooktop, flanked by built-in cabinetry, storage, and even refrigeration units. But the real magic lies in the customization possibilities. Homeowners can pick and choose from a vast array of modules and accessories to tailor the outdoor kitchen to their specific needs and design preferences. This could include everything from side burners and rotisserie systems to pizza ovens, smokers, and even dedicated cocktail prep stations. The modular approach also allows for seamless expansion and upgrades over time, enabling homeowners to start with a core setup and gradually add new features and functionalities as their outdoor entertaining needs evolve. Another captivating trend in modern outdoor kitchen design is the growing emphasis on smart and connected technology. We've already touched on the Wi-Fi-enabled grills and barbecues, but the integration of smart features goes well beyond just remote control. Imagine an outdoor kitchen equipped with touchscreen control panels that allow you to monitor and adjust cooking temperatures, set timers, and even receive alerts on your smartphone when your meal is ready. Some high-end models even feature built-in cameras and live streaming capabilities, enabling you to keep a close eye on your culinary creations from the comfort of your outdoor lounge. But the technological innovations don't stop there. Advancements in outdoor lighting and audio systems have also transformed the ambience of these alfresco cooking spaces. Discreetly integrated LED lighting, both functional and decorative, can set the mood and enhance the overall atmosphere, while strategically placed weatherproof speakers allow you to curate the perfect soundtrack for your outdoor gatherings. As we explore the design aspects of modern outdoor kitchens, it's important to note the growing emphasis on seamless indoor-outdoor integration. The best outdoor kitchen designs often feature materials, finishes, and architectural elements that forge a strong visual and functional connection to the home's interior spaces. This could involve the use of matching cabinetry, tile, or stone surfaces, creating a cohesive design language that flows effortlessly from the indoor kitchen to the outdoor cooking and dining area. Retractable doors, sliding glass walls, and even entire collapsible facades further blur the boundaries between the two realms, fostering a true sense of seamless indoor-outdoor living. Beyond the kitchen itself, modern outdoor living spaces are also incorporating innovative features that enhance the overall dining and entertaining experience. Think about the integration of dedicated cocktail prep stations, built-in wine coolers, or even specialized sinks and cutting boards for tasks like shucking oysters or filleting fresh seafood, all strategically positioned within the outdoor kitchen layout. And let's not forget the importance of comfortable, well-designed seating and dining arrangements. Modular sectionals, plush outdoor sofas, and custom-crafted dining tables and benches all contribute to the creation of inviting, conversation-friendly spaces where guests can gather, relax, and savor the culinary delights prepared in the outdoor kitchen. As you can see, the modern outdoor kitchen has evolved into a true oasis of culinary excellence, seamlessly blending state-of-the-art technology, sophisticated design, and a deep connection to the natural world. Whether you're a passionate home chef, a seasoned entertainer, or simply someone who appreciates the joys of alfresco living, the possibilities in this dynamic and ever-evolving landscape are truly limitless. One of the most striking trends that has emerged in recent years is the growing emphasis on sustainability and eco-consciousness in outdoor kitchen design. As homeowners become increasingly attuned to the environmental impact of their lifestyle choices, the demand for green and energy-efficient outdoor cooking solutions has skyrocketed. This has led to the development of innovative technologies that integrate seamlessly into the outdoor kitchen setting. For example, we're seeing a rise in the popularity of solar-powered appliances, from grills and cooktops to refrigerators and even lighting systems. These cutting-edge solutions not only reduce the carbon footprint of the outdoor kitchen but also offer the added convenience of off-the-grid functionality, making them ideal for remote or disconnected outdoor living spaces. Another fascinating sustainable trend is the use of reclaimed, recycled, or locally sourced materials in the construction and finishes of outdoor kitchens. From repurposed wood and stone to innovative composite materials made from recycled plastics, the options for creating an eco-friendly, yet stylish, outdoor cooking oasis are truly endless. These environmentally conscious design choices not only align with the growing emphasis on sustainability but also contribute to the overall authenticity and sense of place within the outdoor kitchen setting. By incorporating locally sourced or reclaimed materials, homeowners can create a unique, place-based aesthetic that seamlessly integrates with the surrounding landscape and architecture. Speaking of landscape integration, another key consideration in modern outdoor kitchen design is the harmonious blending of the cooking and dining areas with the broader outdoor living environment. This often involves the strategic placement of the outdoor kitchen within the larger yard or patio space, ensuring that it feels like a natural extension of the overall outdoor living experience. Thoughtful landscaping elements, such as lush plantings, water features, and built-in seating areas, can help to create a seamless transition between the kitchen and the surrounding outdoor spaces. The use of complementary materials, textures, and color palettes further reinforces this sense of cohesion, allowing the outdoor kitchen to become an integral part of the overall outdoor living and entertaining experience. And let's not forget the growing popularity of specialized outdoor kitchen zones that cater to specific culinary and social needs. In addition to the main cooking and dining areas, we're seeing the incorporation of dedicated zones for tasks like food preparation, cocktail mixing, and even outdoor pizza making. These specialized areas not only enhance the functionality of the outdoor kitchen but also encourage a more engaged and interactive dining experience for guests. As we look to the future, I anticipate that the integration of smart home technology and seamless connectivity will continue to shape the evolution of outdoor kitchen design. Imagine an outdoor kitchen that can communicate with your indoor smart home system, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and even music from a single, Centralized interface. The possibilities for enhanced convenience, efficiency, and customization are truly exciting. Additionally, the increased emphasis on modular and customizable outdoor kitchen systems will likely continue, as homeowners seek greater flexibility in designing their dream outdoor cooking and entertaining spaces. The ability to mix and match appliances, cabinetry, and other accessories to suit their specific needs and preferences will undoubtedly remain a driving force in the industry. Thanks for watching.